In this video, we are going to show you how to replace your rear nameplate. Now, obviously on our application, we do not have this nameplate already in place. Now to remove it, if you were trying to replace one that was on there, you could easily use a heat gun, gently heat it up because there is an adhesive on the back side. Once you heat it, gently get underneath it without scratching your paint. Start lifting it up. You're going to remove all of the emblem and then clean the area. Once you have the area cleaned, mark the area where you intend on putting the emblem onto. Try to make a nice straight line going across. Now that I have the area marked where I want to put my 4x4 symbol, we'll continue on lining it up. I want to make sure that the end of my 4 lines up with the end of the E on my emblems. We'll get that lined up with the side and the bottom, as close as possible. Continue on, making sure that you're spacing them equally. Make sure that's straight. Once you feel as though you have them in place, just double check to make sure that they're level and they're not tweaked one way or the other. Now we can remove the tape. Once that's off of there, I like to give a little bit of heat to the area and then make sure that I press them on firmly. Okay, we showed you how to install your rear nameplate and it looks great. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.